How to turn off sounds on Facebook application on Android. If you find your Facebook's in-app sound distracting, like the pop-up sound when liking a post or navigating to application, here's how you can turn it off. For that, launch the Facebook application on your Android device and make sure to log into your account. So once you're on your home page, navigate to top right and tap on the profile with three-line icon. That's gonna take you to your menu page. Again, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Once here, scroll down and under preferences, tap on media. Here, scroll down and at the last section that says video and photo setting, there is one toggle with an option as sound in the app. So you have to turn off in-app sounds. So toggle sounds in the app to off. Once you have toggled this off, now you have turned off sounds on Facebook application in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.